Good morning, grade 5 students. In science, the next lesson is Unit 6.6, Exploring the Solar System. It is in page number 92 and 93. This is the copy of your textbook and I have attached here. You can go through with them. First, we will learn what is an astronomer. Astronomer is a person who explores objects in the solar system, who study about the solar system. Astronaut. Astronaut is a trained person, serves as a crew member of a spacecraft. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about solar system. Solar system consists of sun, which is a star, and 8 planets. This diagram shows the solar system. Earth is one of the 8th planet, and all the planets revolve around the sun. There are also many moons. Our moon is one of these. Each planet having their own moons. Each planet takes different length of time to make one orbit. We all know Earth takes 365 days to complete one orbit. Likewise, different planet has different length of year. Each planet rotates on its axis. Time taken for each planet to rotate are different. So each planet has its own length of day. Planets are different from stars, like the sun, because they do not have their own source of light and heat. The planets of solar system reflect the sun's light and heat. And these are the 8 different planets, and Pluto has not considered as the planet because it is small and very far. And you have to learn the order of the planet. The first is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. How to remember this order? See, our planet Earth is the 3rd planet. How to remember this? I have given one sentence. If you remember this sentence, so that you can remember the order of the planets. They are: my very educated mother just show us 9 planets. My very educated mother just show us 9 planets. If you remember this sentence, so that you can remember the order. First letter of the word M. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. So this is the order of planets. Now we'll study how scientists discovered our solar system. First, an Egyptian astronomer called Ptolemy described how the moon, sun, planets and stars revolved around the earth. He told moon, sun, planets, stars are revolving around the earth. But he was wrong. But 500 years ago, a Polish astronomer called Copernicus observed the movement of the planets and decided that Ptolemy was wrong. He wrote a book saying that Earth and all other planets moved around the sun. For a long time, nobody believed him. Again, 400 years ago, an Italian astronomer, Galileo, used newly invented telescope. He used a telescope for his studies. He noticed that Venus had different sides light up by the sun. This means that Venus must move around the sun. Then he recognized that Copernicus was true. Now, what is comet? Comet is a lump of ice and dirt that moves in a large orbit around the Sun. Now, what is asteroids? Asteroids are the rocky objects that move around between Mars and Jupiter, which orbit the Sun. Then what are meteors? Meteors are rock particles. They will enter the Earth atmosphere from the space. They are called meteors, and also we can say as them shooting stars. What is spacecraft? Spacecraft is a vehicle or a machine designed to fly in outer space. And this is a telescope. And this is a space probe. What is space probe? Space probe is unmanned device sent to explore space. It is launched from the Earth with a set of scientific instruments and tools used to study the atmosphere and composition of space and other planets. So this will help to further research. What is the use of telescope? Telescope are mainly used for looking at the heavenly objects. Which is used to study astronomy. In your textbook, page number 93, they have given some questions. 3 questions they have given. The first question is, draw a diagram of solar system that Ptolemy described. What Ptolemy described? He told Earth was at center and all other planets are revolving around the Earth. It was wrong, but they are asking that diagram. That is like this. Earth at the center and Sun and all other planets revolving. That you have to draw. Second question, describe the evidence that Copernicus and Galileo collect to prove that Sun was at the center of the solar system. They are asking the evidence of Copernicus and Galileo. Copernicus studied the movement of the planets and saw that they were not moving around the Earth, but they were moving around the Sun. Copernicus invented this. Then Galileo came and he had the advantage of telescope. He confirmed the Copernicus. He had the telescope, so he confirmed the Copernicus studies and decided that Earth was at the center and all other planets are revolving around the Sun. Third question. Imagine a new project to discover more about Saturn. What equipment will help scientists to find out more? They will need to send a space probe. I told about space probe with an unmanned spacecraft to take images and gather information about the surface of the planet and gases surrounding it. If we get more information so that they can invent new ideas. What you have learned over the last 2000 years, ideas about the solar system have changed as a new evidence is gathered. Talk about it. Why do you think astronauts have never visited Saturn or Jupiter? Because Saturn and Jupiter are formed of gases, so not possible to land on it. This is your activity book, page number 52. Here they have given the study about Jupiter. Jupiter has, in this exercise, Jupiter. Okay, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter rotates on its axis once every 10 Earth hours. If Earth rotates on its own axis, it will take 24 hours. But Jupiter rotates on its own axis, it will take just 10 hours. One of Jupiter's revolution around the Sun takes 12 Earth years. Our planet Earth revolves around the Sun and it will take 1 year. But Jupiter revolves around the Sun and it will take 12 years to complete one revolution. This is the information about Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet and it will take 10 hours to complete one rotation and 12 years to complete one revolution. Jupiter has 4 large moons. Jupiter having 4 large moons and at least 24 small moons that revolve around it. Jupiter is a gas giant. It consists of mainly 2 gases, hydrogen and helium. Jupiter having hydrogen and helium gases with small amount of other gases in the surface areas. Robotic probes have been sent to Jupiter. They have sent the probes to the Jupiter. The images sent back by the probes show colorful band of clouds surrounding Jupiter. No water has been found on the Jupiter. These are all the information collected by the probes. There is no water found in Jupiter. First question, which star does Jupiter revolve around? Jupiter revolve around what? I told Sun is a star, so Jupiter is revolving around the Sun. How long does one revolution take? It is 12 years, I told. But Earth, it is 1 year. Is daytime longer or shorter on Jupiter than it is on the Earth? Our Earth axis is tilted at 23.3 degree, but it is slightly tilted. It is just 3 degree. So the daytime is shorter in Jupiter. Compare the surface of Earth and Jupiter. Earth's surface is rocky and the Jupiter surface consists of gases. How can we continue to find out more about Jupiter and its moons? By sending robotic probes, we can collect more information. Do you think it would be possible for spacecraft to land on Jupiter? Explain why or why not. No, because it consists of gases. They have not done more research about the Jupiter.